Hey class, Mr. Graziano here. Say now that you've done your 50 logos, okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 5 of these logos and you're gonna finish them off. So we want finished, neat looking logos like these, but you're gonna take it from the ones that you've invented. So earlier I showed you some of these. For example, here's this little pyramid one. I did this with it. Up here, you can see I've got this one here that's a grid, and I did this one. Down here, I've got this particular logo. Where is it? This one right here I really liked, and I ended up filling that one in with color, and there it is here. Here's this G that I did this one with, and then here's one that I did with ants, but I decided to make it like in a centipede. So here's my finished logos, but make sure the logos are good. Now, here's the pyramid that I did, but I thought this looked a little too colorful for a pyramid, so I did another one here. And I tried to make it look a little more rustic. I took a pencil and added a little shadow here so it looks a little bit more three-dimensional, okay? Now, coming up with logos, one thing you're gonna need, clean sheet of paper. Number 2, you gotta need a pencil. You're gonna need a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, use something like the edge of a greeting card or something. That'll work great for a ruler. If you wanna make perfect circles, lids from containers work great for perfect circles, okay? You look around your house, you got some things. If you were drawing a letter that had some curves in it, maybe use the edge of a pair of glasses because you want just sort of that curve that's on the edge of a pair of glasses. So whatever you can come up with. Well, real quick, so let's say that I want to do this particular logo here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to draw that. Let's move this out of the way. I'm going to draw that really lightly in pencil. So I'm going to take my straight edge, and in this case, I'm using this card, and I'm just going to draw a line like this, and then I'm going to go this way with it, okay, and then this way, so I'll go, but really light, okay. Now you can see mine are barely visible, pretty light, and I can kind of see my drawing. I'm trying to do this one here, so I'm going to make my little rectangle like this on the side, so on, and here I'm going to make sure this is parallel, slide that over. There's the side of my G. Here's the other side of my G right here. And I use that card, make sure this is paralleled, slide that over. We're going to slide that over and do parallel here, and slide that over and do parallel here. Now I did this in pencil, which is the nice thing about pencil. If you don't like something, you can just erase it. Okay? Now I've got this done pretty neatly. And so I got my basic box. Remember, I'm trying to do this one here. So I'm going to draw this little piece right here. That's parallel about there. Okay. And I'm not using a ruler right now just because I want to go a little quicker here. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to go back. Let's see. I went this way here. Here. And then let's see. Then it went to a square. That went down here. Up. And then back over, and then there's my little rectangle. So I drew it in pencil, okay? Once you draw it in pencil, then you come back in with your markers and fill in certain colors or go over the lines or whatever. So basically, all I want you to do now is take your 50 logos once again, 50 logos, and finish them off as 4 good logos, not 4 crappy, sloppy logos. I said 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished looking logos so they're worthy of being corporate logos like this in the future, okay? So take your 50, turn it to 5, finish them off, load that onto the Google Slides document that I previously sent you. Okay, go to it. See you later.